All right, guys, so I'm out here shooting a longbow, getting ready for turkey season, and I am kind of going through my shot sequence, trying to figure out, uh, what I need to do to be prepared. Now, I'm not an expert when it comes to shooting this longbow. I'm learning something new every day. But what I have found is that when you have a shot sequence in your brain, you're telling yourself what to do. Whether it's you see the animal's coming in, you're going to pick a spot, you focus on that spot, you draw back, you hit your anchor point, you hold your anchor point, you pull through the shot, you catch the golf ball that's falling off your shoulder, and execute a good shot. That's kind of what I'm telling myself as I'm going through my process. Now, I am trying different shots. I've got a bear target at 10 yards, turkey target at 12 yards, and a deer target at 15 yards. And 15 yards right now is like my max that I would really want to take an animal. Can I shoot 20 yards, 25 yards, and group some arrows? Yes, I can definitely do that. But I have found that when I increase my heart rate, or if I'm laser focused onto something, especially something that's moving, and every time I try to reenact that, something goes wrong. So the closer the shot I am, I'm better at making a closer shot under those circumstances. So we're just going to shoot a couple today, and we'll go down there and look at them. This is really the last day. I've kind of incorporated the turkey seat here. I'll be incorporating a blind for the next couple, like 2 weeks before turkey season, shooting out of a blind, and making sure my clearances and everything. This is a 62-inch Bobley Diamondback longbow. Right about 42, 43 pounds at my draw length. I'm shooting the Easton Fred Eichler Legacy arrows, 31 inches, 3 fletch, AAE IP Nocks. Those have been the best for this string. Great Northern quiver, and it's a shooter. So let's shoot a couple. Again, every shot, I'm going through my shot process, telling myself, there's the animal's coming in, the animal's in range, pick a spot, laser focus on that spot, pick the best time to shoot, draw back, hit the anchor point, pull through the shot, catch the golf ball that's falling off my shoulder. That allows me to pull through the shot, and if you're looking at it, if I'm at my anchor point and I go to catch it, then I'm going to pull through. That's how I've really taught myself how to do this. So it may work for you, it may not, but here we go. We're going to start with the bear, 10 yards. Okay. Let's run through the quiver. I want to shoot a couple for the video here. All right, we're going to go with the turkey now. Okay, I like that. It's a little high, but not. I think it would still be in a good spot. All right, we'll go for the deer. This is 15 yards. All right, so all three were vital shots. I'd be happy with all three of them if I was making those on animals. So just it's reps. It's reps with this game. It's nothing different. It's just getting the reps in, going through your shot sequence so that when the time comes, you can't mess it up. You've done it so many times that it's second nature. And that's what I'm finding out with traditional archery. This stuff will humble you really, really quick. And if you're not used to doing this, then you're going to fail. So you got to get the reps in. So we're going to run through probably another 20 or 30 arrows, or unless my shoulder starts getting tired. But I'll bring you back when I incorporate the ground blind.